Alright guys, welcome back to Go Travel. My name is JLVJ. If you looking for an idea how to pack for Mount Kinabalu, don't forget to check the next video. This guy here is going to explain everything.
Roger that. So alright guys, this is the quick tour about how I pack my stuff for Mount Kinabalu hiking. So the first one is my water bottle with this Carry B water holder, and this is my life straw portable water filter. So I'm just going to bring this one from Timpohon Gate, and going up to Panalaban there will be at least 6 huts that you're going to pass, if I'm not mistaken. So each of this hut they're going to have toilet and fresh water. You can always refill your water from the hut, from the checkpoint. Now I'm going to use this one to, just to filter the water. So to the main compartment of my backpack. Here, a mesh bag, a multi-purpose. If anything get weight, and you can just put inside here, and you can hang it anywhere on your bag. It's not going to ruin the whole stuff inside your backpack. Straight to the main compartment. The first one is my jacket. This is the lightweight version of jacket. I'm just going to use a very thin layer of shirt from Timpohon Gate to Panalaban. So in case it's going to be windy and there's light rain, lightweight jacket like this is going to be very useful. Next is this one, padded jacket. This one from Decathlon. The good thing about this padded jacket, you can easily put it on its own pocket when you're not using it. The reason I chose padded jacket over the down jacket, because this padded jacket, even if it's wet, it's still able to work to warm your body compared to down jacket, because you never know, sometimes it's going to rain. The weather up there at the mountain is unpredictable, so having something like padded jacket is going to be useful. So even if it's rain, even if it's going to wet a little bit, it's still going to give you the warmth that you need, your body need. So yeah, this is how easy you can pack it into its own pocket. You can get this one, and it's cheap. You can get this from Decathlon. Just check the website. This one, the lightweight jacket, is just from the thrift store here, the thrift shop. And okay, so inside this plastic bag is all my other stuff. Let me show you. Toiletries, just toothbrush, toothpaste, and soap bar. Microfiber towel, merino. No, this is not merino. This is Gore-Tex Infinium wrap glove. I bought this from Montanic Adventure. Yeah, this one from Decathlon, and this one also from Decathlon. This is from Montanic Adventure. And this one from Uniqlo. because I was looking for merino wool material, and I found this from Uniqlo. For your information, merino wool is a material that can help to regulate your body, especially if it's too hot, it able to helps to cool you down, and if it's too cold, it's able to warm you up. And this one I bought from Uniqlo. So this is the socks that I'm going to use, and the material is merino wool. I bought this one from Spot Direct here in Kinabalu. All the shops that I mentioned to you is actually, you can find them here in Kinabalu. It's just this one from Decathlon. They didn't have the outlet here, the store here in Kinabalu, but you can order them online. I'm a big fan of Decathlon. I have a lot of stuff that we actually bought from Decathlon, and last but not least, my pants. It's a hiking pants. I just bought this one from the thrift shop too. It's very lightweight and quick dry material. Here is my headlight, Phoenix headlight, also very lightweight. And the other one is my backup. Also a lightweight and small kind of headlight. I did bring some sort of medication, but it's only the Panadol. It's for like, it can be anything from headache or muscle sore. You can always use the Panadol. And some light snack. And last but not least, my poncho. If it's raining, this is something that you can easily put on yourself. And the good thing about poncho, why I use poncho over a rain jacket, because poncho, it's cheaper, of course, and when you put it on, it covers both you and your backpack. So, and it's easier to store as well. It's very lightweight. And this one by Tom Shoe, I bought it online, and this one comes from all the way from China. So okay, that's it. What inside my backpack. So yeah, back to the guy in the jungle. Push.
Alright guys, thank you so much once again for checking out the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.